how to add Lottie animation in Wix. So here I've just logged into my Wix account and I've clicked on Edit Site, which has opened up the Wix website editor. Now we can do this from within the Wix website editor itself. So we will need to click on Add Elements here from the top left. Then go into Embed Code, click on it, and if we scroll nearly all the way down here, as you can see, we will be able to find Lottie. So add animations to your site from Lottie files. If we click on the plus sign, it's going to add a sample animation for us, which we can change. Just left click on it and then select change animation. Now here we can click on change animation, which will take us to the Lottie website, and we can choose for any animation here. We can also search for animations as well. So for example, let's say I want to add this loading screen here. Click on it and it's going to look like this. Now once we have the animation, we will select save to workspace to generate. And it might take a little bit of time here to actually get the code, but it's going to load up a new page as well. So here, get started with checklist. Okay, so enable asset link. So we have to toggle this on. And after we have toggled this on, then we will simply copy this asset link here. So click on the two squares. It's going to copy the link, go back into Wix, and here simply right click and paste the new link which we have created. Now we can preview the animation. As you can see, we have changed the animation and now this is going to appear on our website and we can play this in a loop. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.